Morning, good morning. Hello, everyone. I had a great weekend. I'm not having a great morning because I woke up a little bit sick. That's why you guys don't see me today. You won't be seeing me today, but I'm here trading. So I'll be here trading with you guys. Okay, so let's see our levels for today. Pre-market highs, pre-market lows. Previous day highs and lows also. Pretty nice pullback here. You're having a bad hair day? That's funny. Yeah. Really nice reaction. Let's see if the market is gonna hold here and then turn things around, or it just keeps going lower till previous day's lows and then pre-market lows. Yes, it's definitely trying to hold the Friday's lows. We have QQQ fighting the VWAP. Spies kind of reacting it. If the Q can hold here, NQ hold here, or ES, I like it for a bounce play. Let me see if we have data coming up today. We don't. We don't have any important data. Okay. Yeah, I'm watching this possible hold here on ES. Is this interesante? Same thing here with NQ. We have SMH being pretty weak. Spike, QQQ, both reacting the VWAP. That is not bueno. Yeah, so far we have a very clean downtrend. Oopsies. But I do like this ES hold. I'm waiting to see if Spike can break the VWAP and use it as support. Okay. Google is strong. Let's see. Oh yeah, what was that on Google? What's the news there? Microsoft also a really nice bounce. Needs to break 422. Check Meta. Kind of like a big gap down. Apple not doing much, but it's trying to hold the VWAP. Financials are very strong. The Russell very weak. Tesla, let me check. Uh, 411, 412 on Tesla, but Tesla is on a downtrend, so it definitely looks like it wants more downside. I will say, yeah, 410, 411. Watch that level on Tesla. Yes, it's still fighting this level. But I don't want to go long on ES when we're seeing the Q so weak. That's a big reaction on NQ. Now, if we see NQ holding and kind of trying to change things, ES will definitely be the one that I want to go long. because he's holding very, very nicely here so far. But he's stronger than NQ. So if you want to play reaction, go with NQ. If you want to play longs, go with ES. Okay. We have NQ near Friday's lows. Let's see how it's gonna react there. These 30-minute candles on NQ is a big one. Big bearish reaction candle. Was Friday the beginning of the pullback, the big pullback that we need? Because Thursday was the last higher highs and higher lows. If we look at the daily candles on both ES and NQ, Thursday was the last day that we did higher highs and higher lows. We had Friday pulling back, and we made a lower high, lower low. So if today is another day that we make a lower high and lower low, this could be the beginning of the pullback, the big pullback that we want. We'll see. It's too early to say that, but really nice hold here on ES. Then 420 on ES, yeah, that was a good entry. Risky, but pretty good. Yeah, if you're looking for a quick scalps, it was a pretty good one. Whoa, okay. Okay, so we have ES definitely defending these level here, the 420, 426 level, not wanting to go lower with NQ. And we have SPY fighting the VWAP. Yeah, and if we look at the 30-minute time frame on ES is definitely trying to break this downtrend here. Look at this downtrend. This one here from Friday, trying to break that downtrend. What a bounce on both ES and NQ. Well, ES is gone. Gone from my entry. Okay. I guess now we need to see if NQ can hold 284, 285. So basically I'm gonna be watching this level here on ES and this level here on NQ. I still don't know what colors to use for my levels because I don't want to be changing all the time. If it is resistance is red, if it is support green. Pull back to the V1 on SPY. It's too far from that. Maybe we could have a pullback there, but who knows. QQQ, VWAP hold could be another one. Congrats everyone that took the long here at support on ES. You guys are brave. I'm a chicken. Yeah, keep reacting the VWAP. Okay. What a bounce. Whoa. Was that news or something? That was insane. See, this is why I don't go short on this market. I don't care if it's looking pretty bearish. I'm scared of going short on this market. I don't care if it reacts here. Yeah, so I definitely like this hold here on NQ, but we have ES right at resistance. I'm gonna be patient here. If I see ES using this little level of support and the same time NQ doing the same thing, I like for longs. Nice reaction there. Pretty early so far, so we can be we it's good to just wait here if we haven't, if you guys are like me and not taking any trades. There's no need for us to force anything, just be patient and wait for a good setup. Like I said before, if we see ES and NQ both breaking resistance, I like it for more upside, but I want to see both doing that. We're going with short here. We still have QQQ having trouble holding the VWAP. Look at that. So just like that, we gave back this entire move. Yeah. Yeah, no camera today. I feel a little bit sick, so today I wanted to trade on my PJs. You guys don't need to see that. Oh yeah, when is Nvidia earnings? Oh yes. Nvidia earnings on Wednesday. Oh yeah. Today and tomorrow could be a little bit well, tomorrow and Wednesday most likely are gonna be choppy. Nvidia earnings are very important in this market. That can make it or break it. That could be the catalyst for the market to really pull back. The rejection here, very, very clean. Sunday session on the cup. No, I barely drink alcohol this weekend. I think it's something with my neck, to be honest. Margaritas after pickable tomorrow. Taco Tuesday tomorrow. Do we get another bounce here on ES? Ugly price action, but levels are working. But I don't like this price action at all. Yeah, like we've been like last week we had a really good trades, but they were all I noticing that the market when it opens, it has like crazy price action, and then if you give it like 1 hour, almost 2 hours, is when it kind of calms down a little bit, and we can have a nice bounce play. But I'm not gonna look to overstate on any trade today. Well, this week until we have Nvidia earnings coming out, because I mean it's a little bit expected to have choppy price action until Nvidia earnings. And we had the past 2 days lower, like a little bit of change of trend in the market. I feel like we didn't have like too much news or too much hype from the Trump China trip. I don't know, I think it's a little bit sauce, because we heard some news but nothing big, which I find it a little bit weird. Okay, another bounce here on ES and NQ, same level. Yeah, big candles, definitely a scary price action. Ugh. I mean, you can clearly play bounces off of this level and here also, but it's pretty risky, and I don't feel like doing it. And the 30-minute candles make no sense at all. So NQ, we're moving in a very small range with huge candles. But some days it's gonna be like that, and we need to practice being sitting in our computer watching the charts and not taking any trades. That's how you build patience. I'm waiting for a clean break and retest here. If we get a clean one, I don't want to see like a long wick at the top and then another one, the next candle going under and the next above. No, I want to see a clean price action there on NQ. Same thing here with ES. I know that's pretty hard to do, but we need to practice that. Because not every single day it's gonna be you're gonna see A+ setups or good setups. Some days are gonna be like that. And remember, we're here to make money, not to trade. So if we go ahead and take a trade and we blow up our account, we're not gonna make money. So we need to survive these type of days. Yeah, so far we have no clear direction. Yeah, we have both moving inside the range. If we look at the 30-minute candles, it's just sideways price action. We have so far 2 30-minute candles here on ES. These two, no trend. And same thing here with NQ. These 2 red candles here are the 30-minute candles, and we have no direction. We have one big candle and the next one is inside the one before. Okay, let's see if this time NQ is gonna break out here. Okay. Are you gonna give me my break and retest here? Another rejection. Now it feels like the market is just stuck, not moving at all. Yep, we're still inside the same range. Yeah, nothing for me too. I don't like this. The market's only been open under 1 hour, but still, it feels like forever. But again, we need to be able to sit in our hands and not take any trades when we see this type of price action. We need to practice that. And yes, now break this level here. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. It is boring. Yeah, so guys, if it wasn't because I'm doing the stream, I would be just watching, I don't know, like doing anything else, putting my alerts, and then not even watching this price action. Like I'll be, I don't know, watching YouTube, cooking, getting ready to go to a gym. This is trading, yeah. But I mean, we know that we're gonna have tomorrow and Wednesday most likely ugly price action because of Nvidia earnings. You're watching YouTube right now? Yeah, you are. Not much we can do here unless we go back to this level or this level here on ES. Same thing with NQ. Either we break out of this level or this level here. As long as we keep moving inside here, I'm not touching this. Yeah, so you're right. Like in the past, seeing this ugly price action, I will be like I going through a bunch of charts, trying to force a trade, trying to look for something, right? When in reality, it's just like I need to just be patient, to be honest, walk away, and then maybe in the afternoon we'll get a better price action, or just wait for another day, and that's it. So today is an inside date. Unless we break Friday's lows or highs, um, I don't see the market doing much. Come on, just do something. Holding the VWAP. Let's see. The VWAP doesn't really work if you have a choppy price action. Okay, are we gonna hold 120 again here on NQ? More like 140. This could be another entry, but I don't know, guys. I don't feel like taking trades here, to be honest. Yeah, it looks weak. You'll take it from me? Go ahead and I could try it with 1 micro. I don't want to force anything. Because I'm really waiting for Friday's lows. We're kind of there. Yeah. Let's see how this 5-minute candle is gonna close. Yeah, I didn't like it because it looked too weak. Yes, it's loosening here also. Okay. SMH is bleeding. Oh, okay. Are we gonna go to morning pre-market lows? On NQ? Break and retest here, maybe? Under PDL, it's pretty bearish. I'm gonna watch this level here. Let's see how it's gonna react to pre-market lows, even though it's pretty risky to try to catch a bounce there, but we'll see how it reacts there. Nasal system, I don't know what's that. No idea what you're talking about. No. Top step, no. It's only funded. It's only futures. Don't bounce here. Go lower. Yeah, I can see the head and shoulders. The thing is, head and shoulders are pretty tricky to trade when you have a very bullish market. I'm gonna wait for pre-market lows on NQ, or if ES once again hold this level here, I'm gonna look for a possible bounce there. Nice reaction there on ES. Whoa, okay. Yeah, I don't like this price action. In a normal market, like not on a choppy price action day, I'll be looking for a rejection play here. But seeing this, how it was holding there, and we didn't have like a instant reaction at previous day's lows, I didn't like that for a possible reaction play. But if we had like a normal, not ugly PA, I'll be looking for that. Yeah, so another hold here on ES. And the head and shoulder, the price goes lower. Or if you have a inverse head and shoulder, the price goes higher. $34.34. No, that's too high for me. I'm looking for something like this. I trade mostly micros, but it depends how much I like my setup and how is the price action that day. Like for today, with this ugly price action, I will not even thinking about minis. That's an easy way to blow up your account. Okay, let's see if we can have a little reaction here on NQ. I'm sorry, on ES, but holding this support. Okay. If ES can hold here, I'm gonna look for a long play. Nope, not holding. Really nice break and retest to the downside on NQ. Yep. Reacted previous day's lows. That was a clean reaction there. Yeah, I don't use any indicators. on my futures charts. Ooh, I like that ES hold. Let's see. ES is really trying to hold here. I'm just waiting to see how this 5-minute candle is gonna close. I'm waiting because we still have 2 minutes until the candle close, so that can change a lot. A lot can change in 2 minutes on a candle. So I'm waiting until it's closing. So I want to see how it is when it's like under 1 minute to close. So far we're reacting, we're doing a break and retest to the downside. So I'm seeing a lot of people online like blowing up their accounts. This is why you don't force trades on a choppy market. Yeah, it's an inside. Well, it was an inside day until we broke previous day's lows, which are my white lines here on ES and NQ. We're having a downtrend day, but extremely difficult to hold. Like extremely difficult to really trust a downtrend or uptrend. Excuse me. Yeah. Oh, it's FOMC also on Wednesday? Ooh, okay. Okay. Yeah, so it's like extremely expected to not have easy days today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. And with a new Fed in chair, yeah. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna force my any trades. Look at that. Oh, just the minutes, not FOMC? Okay, okay, thank you. No, I don't know. I know nothing about options with props. No, I only do futures. Also, yeah, you have Vanquish, but I don't understand why you want to day trade options. Like I love options. Options are awesome for swing trading. In fact, options were they pretty much came up with options to play with time, not to day trade. Like you literally have everything against you if you're day trading options. Am I doing the cup? No. Honestly, guys, I feel like I waste my time whenever I do a challenge, the cup, and also those type of things don't really work with the way that I trade because I just go for a small move or small size. Like I trade a couple of micros, like up to 5, maybe eight micros, and then because I'm trading with a lot of props and a lot of accounts, it's how I make a lot of money. But if I only trading with one account, I'll be making maybe max $1,000 daily. I wouldn't be winning any cup or any challenge trading how I trade. I kind of like this hold here on ES, but I don't like this long wicks reaction here. So I think it's 50-50. You have there a 50-50 trade. Like here, I would prefer to see a nice 5-minute candle holding, and then the next one giving me a pullback. But yeah, I don't like these ugly wicks here at the top. Ugly fake outs there. The hourly, yes, is holding, but we're still under Friday's lows, which technically that's bearish. Whenever you have previous day, whenever you're under previous day's lows, that's bearish. But who knows? We're playing around that level. Yeah, yes. ES is holding Friday's lows. NQ, it's kind of fighting there. Like, I want to see clean holds. So, yes, ES is holding here Friday's lows, but look how ugly these candles are here. So, I can't trust this possible hold. Do I ever have days that I don't take trades? Yes. It looks like today it's gonna be a day like that. I think it's extremely important to identify a day that it's either extremely choppy and you know you should walk away from the charts, or it is like you're late for the trade and the move, like the trade, it's gone. Yikes. Yikes. Yeah, that's ugly. In mind, you maybe have NQ here doing exactly the same thing that it did here, but it could be doing that. NQ has a downtrend today, definitely weaker than ES, but you want to trade something that you could be right. We could definitely be reacting here, but the candlesticks, whenever it bounces, they're too big for me to look for trades today, to be honest. Do I like this reaction? Yeah, I really like that reaction. But again, I don't like the price action. I think it's very risky to trade anything here. Because you have a high risk of the trade stopping you out and then going on your way. And if that happens, what we do when that happens? Most of the time, we're gonna overtrade. We're gonna try to get back in another trade because we were right, but we got fake out, and then maybe it's gonna happen again, and then again and again, and that's how we blow up our accounts in one day. Or we give back our profits for the entire month or week in just one stupid day, because this is a stupid day trading this price action. Oil is pushing? Did we get news there? Oh yeah, we got news. We got war news. Risk of the war escape. Yeah, the war is not ending anytime soon. Drinking lots of coffee. The market needs coffee. I'm gonna give it a little bit more time to see if NQ is gonna go down here to pre-market lows. I wanna see how it's gonna react there, but if it takes forever, I'll be done with my day, to be honest, guys. Oh, thank you, V. Let's see who still waiting for a trade here. Of course not. How are you gonna like one when you're trading those type of challenge? You don't care if you make if you have a good setup or not. You're just gonna go all in and try to win or blow up the account. It's all or nothing. I like this reaction on NQ. The problem that I have here is if I want to trade a short play here, I want to enter my stop loss needs to be this candle high, right? So that's still a big stop loss, even if I'm trading with only one NQ micro. Well, it looks like a good bear flag possible reaction play. Is this a trap? It could be. Who knows? Anything can happen today. Whoa. Yeah. What an ugly price action. Boring price action. Something told you it was a trap? We can see it was a trap. Come on, NQ, just go lower already. And NQ keeps reacting. What a choppy mess. Hands? Let's see. If it goes to 14, 15, that will be a huge gift to buy shares, for buying shares. Even 20. Yeah, 20, and then all these support level here between 11 and 15. Let's see if we can. Palantir's still on the same level that I like. Okay, I'm gonna go for more coffee, and then I'm gonna go through a bunch of charts and see if we can find like good possible long-term holds or long-term buys. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Oh, we're selling off. Let's see. Come on, I could just go lower already. If we have another bounce here, I'm done. Yeah, it's boring. Let's see if we're gonna reject here and go lower. And we're bouncing again. Okay, guys, I'm off. I'm off. Boring day. Please don't try to force any trades. This market is not giving you any good trades. Yeah, I'm done for today. See you guys mañana again. Hopefully with a little better price action. but I'm gonna be extra careful this week. Thank you guys for being here. Remember to like the video. See you again mañana. Thank you. Bye.